Hello. Yes, Manmit and Ishita, can you hear me properly? Okay. So, look here, business studies is very easy. And in business studies, yesterday we discussed the functions of top management, lower management, middle management. Today we are going to discuss about coordination. So coordination is very important. Now, what is the meaning of coordination? So coordination क्या हो सकता है? So coordination means synchronizing the efforts of different people, synchronizing the efforts of different departments is called coordination. So coordination is the essence of management. So coordination अलग से function नहीं है. Coordination is the main essence of management. So सबको मिलकर चलना है. That is the basic idea about coordination. So what is the basic meaning of coordination? So coordination synchronizes the activities of different departments. It is called coordination. सभी को साथ में मिलकर, सब functions को साथ में मिलकर आगे बढ़ना है. So this is possible due to coordination. So I hope you are clear about the meaning of coordination. Okay. Now here it is written that coordination is the primary function of any manager, because you know when organization is becoming larger, jitni badi organization hogi, there will be many people, there will be many departments, and you need to collectively work together. इन सबके काम को साथ में synchronize करना पड़ेगा, and this is possible due to coordination. So coordination is very important because it will integrate the activities. हर एक्टिविटी जो अलग अलग चल रही है उनको साथ में लेकर जाने का काम करेगा कोऑर्डिनेशन. सो कोऑर्डिनेशन इज द एसेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. याद रखना है, कोऑर्डिनेशन कोई अलग से फंक्शन नहीं है. कोऑर्डिनेशन इज द एसेंस और द पार्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. So coordination is needed to perform all the functions of the management. हर function में coordination की जरूरत है. So now first of all planning अगर आपको करनी है तो you need to coordinate with all the departments. Okay, हर डिपार्टमेंट में क्या पोजीशन है वो पता होगा, उसके बाद ही आप कोऑर्डिनेट करके यू कैन डू प्लानिंग. सो प्लानिंग के लिए भी कोऑर्डिनेशन की जरूरत है. Based on this, based on coordination, organization structure develop होता है. स्टाफिंग भी कोऑर्डिनेशन के बेस पर होती है. एंड राइट डायरेक्शन मींस डायरेक्टिंग एग्जीक्यूशन भी कोऑर्डिनेशन से हम दे सकते हैं. सो कोऑर्डिनेशन इज अफेक्टिंग ऑल द फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, सभी पांचों फंक्शंस के लिए किसकी जरूरत है? कोऑर्डिनेशन की जरूरत है. ओके, सो कोऑर्डिनेशन इज एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ऑल द फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. हर फंक्शन में कोऑर्डिनेशन की जरूरत है. सेकंड, व्हाई कोऑर्डिनेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट? कोऑर्डिनेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड एट ऑल द लेवल. हर लेवल पे जरूरत है. टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट को भी जरूरत है कोऑर्डिनेट करने की, बिकॉज हर डिपार्टमेंट्स की एक्टिविटीज को इंटीग्रेट करना है. ओके, देन मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स की एक्टिविटीज, एंड लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स कोऑर्डिनेशन टू इंटीग्रेट द वर्किंग ऑफ वर्कर्स. वर्कर्स को साथ में लेकर चलना है. सो कोऑर्डिनेशन इज नीडेड एट ऑल द लेवल्स, वेदर इट इज टॉप लेवल or middle level or the lower level. Now another important aspect कि coordination is the most important function of any organization, because अगर coordination नहीं हुआ तो activities cannot run successfully for a long time. So there will be confusion between the departments and the people, and company will not be able to achieve its goal. So coordination is very important. So due to coordination, management can ensure orderly management of group का efforts so that common objectives achieve कर पाए. So I hope you are able to understand why coordination is very important. So coordination is most important, and here we have the conclusion. Conclusion वाला part यहाँ पर Rushi, can you please read conclusion? Hello. Ansh, can you please read conclusion? It is very important.
Coordination therefore involves the synchronization of different actions or efforts of the various units of an organization.
This is important. Okay, coordination के लिए ये word आपको खास ध्यान रखना है. So basically it is synchronization of the efforts is called coordination. Please continue.
It ensures planned objectives are achieved with minimum cost. After analyzing the above features, we can say that coordination is not a simple function of management, but it is the essence of management. Or in other words, we can say that all the functions are flowers and coordination is a thread that ties these flowers to form the garland of organization.
Yes, so coordination is the basically binding force in the organization. Coordination ही सभी organization की activities को साथ में लेकर चलेगा. So it is the essence of management. So here we have features of coordination. Okay, so it's very easy to understand. इन याद रखिए कि जब हम फिजिकली मिलेंगे तब हम और अच्छे से क्या है कि स्टडी कर पाएंगे. राइट नाउ इन थियरी सब्जेक्ट अवर टारगेट इज टू नो द बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स. ओके, एंड देन वी कैन एलैबोरेट. So features of coordination. So coordination integrates the group efforts. Yes, coordination का काम ही वही है कि अलग अलग जन की एक्टिविटीज को इंटीग्रेट करना, सिंक्रोनाइज करना, साथ में करना. So due to this, orderliness is possible. So integration is possible when there is coordination. And why coordination is necessary? Because when more employees are working in different individuals from different backgrounds, they have different styles, so there is a need to unify their efforts. अलग अलग लोगों को साथ में एक ही डायरेक्शन में बाइंड करना जरूरी है. Only then it is possible to achieve desired action in a common direction. Then ensures unity of efforts. देखो कुछ पॉइंट्स रिपीट होंगे. Okay, because concept is very simple. So unity of efforts. So due to coordination, हर जन एक कॉमन गोल के लिए काम करेगा. So there will be unity of efforts due to the coordination. And coordination will avoid the conflict, and hence there will be unity of efforts. Then we have next point. When we say unity of efforts, it means unity of direction is there. Okay, so there is a balance in all the department due to the coordination. Now, continuous process. Coordination is a non-ending process. Continuously it should go on and on. We cannot stop coordination for some time. Then coordination is a pervasive function. We know that pervasive means coordination is required at all the levels. कुछ टाइम पहले ही सीखा, top management, middle, lower, everyone needs coordination. अच्छा, हम घर पे भी क्या है coordination करते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी घर पे कोई भी फंक्शन होता है तो इज दिस द सिंगल पर्सन्स एफर्ट्स? नो, इट्स अ कलेक्टिव एफर्ट. ओके, सो देयर इज अ कोऑर्डिनेशन. कोई मैरिज है, कोई एनिवर्सरी है, कोई फंक्शन है, So we have coordination because each and every person work in synchronization with each other. कुछ जन leaders होते हैं, कुछ जन followers होते हैं, but there is a coordination. So without coordination, it is not possible to achieve the targets. Then hence it is written that business as well as non-business organization require coordination. Hence it is pervasive. Then coordination is the responsibility of all the managers. So coordination सबको को करना है. Okay, whether you are a leader or whether you are a follower, you need to coordinate with each other. साथ में मिलकर काम करना है. So the top management try to coordinate overall plans and policies. Middle level try to coordinate department की activities, and lower level management try to coordinate the activities of workers. So all three types of managers requires to do coordination, and coordination is a deliberate function. Now, what is the meaning of deliberate? Deliberate का मतलब है carefully chosen. Okay, carefully chosen function. It is not by chance, automatically नहीं होता है. You need to actually put in efforts. Efforts लगानी पड़ती है. Hence it is called a deliberate function. Okay, so managers tries to coordinate the activities to avoid confusion. So it is a deliberate function, carefully it is done. So now we are able to understand which are the features, and finally why coordination is important or why we need coordination. Coordination से सबसे पहले क्या फायदा होगा? तो first advantage is the growth in size. Now why there is a need? जैसे जैसे organization ज्यादा बड़ा होगा, there is a need for coordination. छोटा sole proprietor को ज्यादा coordination की जरूरत नहीं है, but multinational companies require more coordination. So when there is growth, coordination is necessary. So we can say that the need for coordination increases with the increase in size of organization. Okay, जितने ज्यादा लोग होंगे, हर जन की own खुद की styles होगी, and so there is a more need to bring together or synchronize उनकी efforts. Okay, then we have second point, functional differentiation. Now जितने ज्यादा departments होंगे, जितने different sections और divisions होंगे, उतने ही ज्यादा department को interlink करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Okay, so hence coordination will be needed. So hence in big companies coordination is needed because there are so many departments and so many special kinds of people work. And third thing is specialization. Now specialization means master in a particular work. अब company में क्या होता है, most of the persons are master in their own area. Purchase department is master in purchase, finance department is master in taxation and finance, sales department or marketing department is master in selling, HR department they are master in communication. So it means that हर कोई अपने अपने mindset से चल रहा है, तो it is necessary to coordinate the activities of them in a common direction. ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो it will result in chaos and confusion. So to avoid confusion and chaos between the people, we need coordination. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand why coordination is important. So let us go through 2-3 questions and then we can stop here. Here we have question number 1. Okay, this concept ensures that integration, timing and sequence of efforts so that plan objectives are achieved with minimum conflicts. So there is one very important term which is called integration. So integration means binding. Okay, or it is also called synchronization. So this synchronization or binding or integration of efforts is possible due to coordination. Then we have which concept act as a binding force of all the departments. ऊपर ही मैंने ये word use किया था, binding force. So coordination binds all the departments. इन्होंने कहा है कि अगर कोई फ्लावर है तो फ्लावर की जो थ्रेड है जिसने सब को कनेक्ट करके रखा है तो दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेशन. एंड हियर वी हैव वन पैराग्राफ एंड पहले पूछा है एंड में कि स्टेट द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट डिस्कस्ड अबाउट, यानी क्या डिस्कस हुआ है. सो लेट अस गो थ्रू कि मैनेजमेंट ऑफ अमेरा लिमिटेड स्ट्रांगली बिलीव्स दैट कि members of the organization should work towards fulfill common organizational goal. So they are saying common goals के लिए सबको काम करना है. This requires teamwork, साथ में मिलकर काम करना है. Integration of efforts of all the individuals and departments. We know that इसको हम कहेंगे coordination, integration of various departments की activities. So this is because all the departments depend on each other and to perform their respective activities. So managers need to reconcile the difference in approach, timing and interest. So ये पूरा का पूरा जो पैराग्राफ है okay, वो हार्मोनी की बात कर रहा है. So there is a need to harmonize the individual goals and organizational goals. So please note synchronization की तरह ही एक वर्ड है harmonization. Harmonization means be in harmony. Okay, there has to be a balance. So these terms are closely connected with coordination. So question था कि which concept of management is discussed above? So our answer is coordination. So they are discussing about the coordination. Any three features already क्या है हमने अभी सीख लिया है. So that you can, so overall idea आपको समझनी है कि this paragraph is about coordination. So raise your hand if you are clear about the meaning of word coordination. Okay, good. So we will continue in the next week and we will discuss few questions more. मैं ज़्यादा time नहीं लूँगा in case of theory because offline में थोड़ा हम ज़्यादा cover करेंगे. Right now we will cover the basics. Okay, चलिए. So bye for today and we will continue on Monday. Take care and go through the chapter.